Hey guys, it's Norman with Thou Shalt Have Apps. Uh, Today we're going to do a review of a mock-up of a mobile app that we did for Steve Hovakimian and Art Oktanian over at INeedShortSale.com. Now, to see this app, come over here, come to seeyourapplive.com. When you come over here, you're going to see a page like this. This is a mobile app previewer. It's meant to simulate what would happen on a mobile phone. Over here, it looks like an iPhone. Come over here, click on this play button. It'll bring up the app previewer. And to access the INeedShortSale app, type in ShortSale 1 and then hit load demo. And this is the INeedShortSale mobile app. First thing you'll notice is that this pop-up comes up asking to join the mailing list. So if you have a newsletter or autoresponder, email autoresponder, this can tie right in with that, and this can help you build up your following. I'm going to hit no right here. These first three buttons, actually, first off, as you can see, this is a home page. This whole image back here is customizable. What we did is we took elements from your web page and we condensed it down into a format that makes sense for the mobile phone. But you can customize this image if you wanted to change it up for summer, for winter, for spring, for fall, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween. You can make little tweaks to it so it's got a little different feel for those times of the year. Now, these first three buttons down here, these two over here, are not active because we're looking at this on a computer. But if we were on a phone, if you clicked call us, it would dial right into your office. The directions button would set up GPS directions from wherever the phone is at directly to your office. Tell a friend allows whoever has downloaded this app to share it. They can share it via email, Facebook, Twitter, or text. That way it's got a chance of going viral, because if you're providing really good information and good value on the app, people are going to share it with each other, right? So maybe one of your clients is, you helped one of your clients avoid foreclosure, and maybe they know someone else who's going through a foreclosure. They could say, hey, you know what? Come here and download this app. They could share it with them, and that way it spreads. It's the info tab. I know you guys have a lot of great information on your website. I just took some of these from your website. Let's see. Our first one, short sale versus foreclosure. Again, I know the text is a little bit small on the previewer, but it does show up differently on a live phone. And, people have the ability to zoom in and zoom out. But here's the same information you have off of your website. It's 10 reasons why you should consider our short sale services. And what you could do with this information tab is you could actually use your QR codes. I'm sure you guys are familiar with QR codes as being realtors. But this is a QR code, and as you know, these are kind of like barcodes. But now you could put this up. You could put this up on your billboards, newspapers, business cards, and now you could have these QR codes. First off, you know that they can be linked over to your signs like this. I'm sure you guys know this. Over here on a sign, so that way you could have kind of a website set up about the property. But now you could also have this set up so that it links over to your mobile app, and maybe you could have a QR codes like scan this image for 10 short sale myths, or scan this image to download our mobile app. That way you have more, you're just connected more with your customers. About Us. Again, we took this from your website. It's just basically the same information in your About Us page. Messages tab. Now, the Messages tab ties in with technology that's in these smartphones called push notifications. So, I'm not sure if you guys know what a push notification is, but a push notification lets the owner of a mobile app push or send a message out onto the screen of the phone of whoever has downloaded the app. So for example, here's a push notification that the AP News sent out. Breaking news, Goldman Sachs, so on and so forth. And this message just basically pops up onto the screen of the mobile phone, and this person got it because they downloaded the AP News mobile app. But you, as a business owner, can utilize this same technology showing up in places like AP News, that AP News, but you could use it for your own business, right? And here's how you could probably use it. Like, let's say you got a new listing, right? Great deal. You could shoot this push notification out saying, just got a hot new listing, 123 Main Street. Go over to this website and check it out, right? And I know you guys, if you're doing a lot of short sales, you need an offer to start your short sale. This would be a great way to get that initial offer. Just push it out to your subscriber list like this, and people are going to pay attention to this, because this message right here, it gets open 97% of the time, right? Because think about it, it's showing up right on your mobile phone, and people are so attached to their mobile phones nowadays, and it gets open 97% of the time. If you compare that with like email marketing gets about a 4% open rate. If you're really good with copywriting and you have a great connection with your list, you might double it, triple it, you might even quadruple it. Let's say you quadruple it to get a 16% open rate. It's still nowhere near the 97% open rate. And like direct mail, like flyers, postcards, and such, those get about a 1 to 2% open rate. Again, this is a 97% open rate. And another way you could use this, you could actually use this for open houses. So let's say you're having an open house on one of your listings. You want to fill that up with as many people as possible. Shoot out a push notification. Open house today. Great property. 123 Main Street. Come on over 2 p.m. And you can get more people into your open houses and just sell your properties faster using these push notifications and using this technology. So when the person would get this push notification message, they could either delete it or they can save it. If they save it, that message would go into this tab and they'd be able to access these messages here. Okay? Here I just clicked on this More tab here. It brings up some more functionality. Let's see, your Office. This will change out once the app goes live. View map, this where your office is. Call us. View website. This will bring up your website directly into the phone right here. Email us. Contact us. I know you guys had a contact form on your website. I kind of mimic that right here in this contact us form. People can tell you if they're a homeowner, investor, and agent. And this contact form will tie directly into your email, right? So you'll get an email when someone fills this out and sends it in to you guys. Listings. This ties right into your website, as you can see. And the great thing about that is you just have to update your listings once, and it'll pop up into your app, and people can actually see, what listings you have. Facebook. I know you guys have a Facebook page. You can build up your Facebook following through the app again. LinkedIn. Again, same thing. I know LinkedIn is more of like a resume style. So that way, if people wanted to find out more about you guys and your credentials and stuff, they could just connect through your app, connect to the app, and just come right into your LinkedIn account. YouTube. I'm not sure if you guys had a YouTube channel, but if you had, videos about stopping foreclosure and such, you could link them straight into your YouTube. Email photo. This is a way where your clients can actually interact with you. Maybe, let's say you're doing putting a package together, right? And you want your clients to send you over photos. They could do it this way. They could do it straight through their smartphone, send the photo through the app, and now you can have it for your listings and such. Or maybe they had a great experience. They just wanted to take a picture of themselves or anything like that, and they could share it on this app right here. Image gallery. This is another way we could actually do your listings. We could just take pictures of your properties and post them up here like this. mailing list. This is where your you had that initial pop-up when you opened up the app. This is where people would end up if they had clicked yes. And again, these images in the background, this faded out image of the home page, it's completely customizable. So you can have a different image on this page and a different image on the home page, and just build up your email list. Client wall, kind of like the send in your pictures, but here people would leave comments for you, like, oh, thank you, you helped me stop foreclosure, and you could leave a comment back, and whoever downloaded this app could come in and see this conversation, could add to the conversation, and if they left a comment that was inappropriate, you're free to delete it. Testimonials. This is more of a HTML, web page format where you could put your the different testimonials that you have. Thank you for helping me sell my house. And just list it up here. People who download the app can come in and see your testimonials. Mortgage calculator. This is more along the lines of, like sometimes you have different swag. I know realtors have different swag, like little refrigerator magnets or keychains and such. Well, this mortgage calculator, as you can see, is branded to you guys in the background, and it'll help people figure out their monthly repayment of their mortgage right here. And every time they need to do that, they're going to be reminded of you, right? Because your image is in the background. Along those same lines, there's a QR scanner here. So again, if someone needs to scan a QR code, maybe they're out looking at houses, they need to scan one of those codes, they need a QR scanner. Well, if they have your app, they're going to come into your app to use this scanner, but at the same time, they're going to be reminded of you guys and your business and your branding right into the QR scanner. Same thing with the tip calculator. I know, like if someone's in a restaurant, they want to figure out a tip. It's like, hey, I remember there's a tip calculator on the app at the INeedShortSale app. Let's use that. So they're using it. They're in a restaurant trying to figure out the tip, but at the same time, they're reminded of you and your brand and your image and your company. So I think that's it. It's basically a really brief mock-up that we did for the INeedShortSale website. So the next thing I want you to do is I want you guys to try it out yourself. And the way you do that is this video should be in a pop-up window. And I just want you to close the pop-up window, come over here, click on the X. It should be up here to the upper right. Click on the X, it'll close out the window, it'll land you back over here on this page. See your app live. And if you remember, you'll come to this page, it should look like this, right? Go ahead, click on the play button, enter your app code. Remember, there's short sale 1. Click load demo, and I want you guys to play around with it. Try it out. Check out all the functionality that comes along with it. And if you guys are interested in having this app go live into the Apple Store, go live into the Android Store, and actually using this, putting it into your business, and having it help you generate more business, contact us. Our phone number is 818-794-9190, or you can email us at info@thoushallthaveapps.com. Once again, my name is Norman Ho. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.